So the shoulder we're working with is 7.5, arm side is 8.5. Right now we'll take shoulder to waist 16, shoulder to hip 28, shoulder to length of the gown is 45 plus 2 inches allowance. So take arm side 8.5, join together, slope of 0.75, then take half of the shoulder, neck depth is 4, so we'll take a 3.5 because it's freehand. So when we are done sewing, it will go down to 4 inches. Going by 0.5 and connect. So because we're using freehand, we'll just take 1.5 here, take it all the way. So the bust I'm working with is 10, 1.5 ease, then 1.5 sewing allowance. We'll take the waist measurement, put the ease and sewing allowance too. So we'll take the hip 12.5. So right here, the flop, the down part, we'll put what we have on the waist to the down part, which is the knee. So connect. For the hair to be able to go in without zip, so go down by 3.5. So for the back, we'll still take shoulder, take our arm side 8.5, take our waist 16, our hip, then the length of gown. half of the shoulder. Right here we'll go down by 1 inch, the back. So right here we're doing the same thing, 1.5. So right here we are not going inside by 0.5 because it's the back. Just from the half and curve it down this way. Take our bust measurements, our ease allowance and our sewing allowance. So we'll take the waist measurement, we'll take the hip, exactly what I have on the waist is what I'm putting on the knee. Join together. Please, if you don't know how to cut an interfacing, there is a link for it just below at the description box. You have to turn it over. Then you can use anything to just bring out the pointed part of it. Then use the pressing iron to iron it down. So this is for the back. I've already weaved the tips. Then you can just notch it just for it to relax properly. So right now it is time to mark out the pocket line. So this is the front side. The waist is 16, so just go down by 3 inches from the waist, then mark it out. For the pockets we'll use 8 by 8 inches, just all around. Also it's round. So this is the organza for it. The width of the organza is 10, while the length is 58. Okay, so right now we're going to slash it into 2 before folding it. So you fold and sew it all the way down. So this is the pocket. I folded by 1 inch, then stitch the up side of it. So right now we're going to pleat the organza by the side this way. so you can use your pin to hold it. So we'll pleat this way all the way. So this is what the pocket looks like after pleating it. I'll place it where I marked out. So right now, all I'll do, just sew this way, then it's ready. Thank you all for watching. God bless. Bye.